day we meet people. You meet them, you say hi, you might even have a casual conversation. They leave, you forget about them, like that. And you never think about them again. But there are some people you meet and you can't stop thinking about them. My question to you, what type of person do you want to be? Do you want to be easily forgettable or someone people remember? Today, gentlemen, I'm going over 6 ways to leave a lasting impression and be unforgettable. The first thing you can do to leave a lasting impression is write somebody a handwritten note. This is a note that I've saved from my business partner, Kelly, from Tej Hanley. He wrote this March 15th, 2016, and I've saved it because it meant so much to me. It was a handwritten note, and you don't think that, you know, hey, you can just send an email, you can send a text, you can call, but taking the time to say thank you, or even just to say hey, with a handwritten note, taking time to actually mail it, get a stamp, and go through this, it made me feel incredibly special, and Kelly, unforgettable. The second thing we can do to leave lasting impressions is remember special dates. This includes, but is not limited to, birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, special events, anniversaries, good and bad. I forgot my mom's birthday one year. And it came and went, she didn't remind me, and it wasn't a priority for me to remember. And it was one of the worst days of my life when I realized that it was her birthday, like 2 days later. I felt horrible about myself. Another one that I'm embarrassed. I'm super embarrassed to acknowledge to you. 4 years ago, I forgot my wedding anniversary. I woke up, my wife was all like, hey, honey, I got tickets for like Lionel Richie or something. And I'm like, why? And she's like, you forgot. And she burst into tears. You forget your mom's birthday? Like, I am mortified that I'm going to forget special days to special people in my life. And so I whip out my phone, and every time it comes out, I make sure, right? I program it. It sets a reminder. I program it for like a week, 2 weeks in advance, like every day. Like, I am not missing another special date, and I recommend you don't as well. And on that special day, reach out. Do something special. Give them a call. Send them a text. Send them a letter. Or go with number 3. Send them flowers. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Flowers are amazing, right? Anybody who says, I don't like getting flowers, is lying. Everybody, including dudes, loves getting flowers. It makes them feel special. They're beautiful. They smell amazing. These came from today's video sponsor, 1-800-Flowers.com. 1-800-Flowers.com, gentlemen, has gotten you taken care of for Mother's Day. Did you realize Mother's Day is right around the corner? Who, like seriously, who puts up with your shit more than moms? She loves you unconditionally, even when you act like a little selfish punk. I'm speaking from experience myself. Even though I forgot a birthday, I hooked it up on Mother's Day. Right now, 1-800-Flowers has an incredible offer. 24 multicolored roses, $24. Gentlemen, hit that link down below, 1-800-Flowers.com/alpha. It's our special link. There, go grab it. Set it and forget it. You pick the delivery date and let them handle the rest. Guys, do not forget moms this year, and pretty much any woman, right? Anybody who's a mother. This could be your grandmother, because look, check it out. Last year, this bouquet, $24, 24 roses, like $1 a rose. At that price, you can afford to not only get your mom roses, grandma, your sister, pretty much anybody who's a mom deserves flowers. Gentlemen, link below, 1-800-Flowers.com/alpha. Supplies are limited, and the offer ends soon. Get it now. Stop procrastinating. Like, seriously. What are you waiting for? And if you want to send me flowers, like, because you think I'm awesome, I will take them because I think flowers are awesome. Number 4 is ask about love, not work. What I'm talking about here is whenever somebody meets somebody, another dude meets another dude for the first time, right? What is the first question? Whoa, what do you do for a living? Oh, what do you, like, that is like number 1. Right? People don't get super excited typically about talking about what they do for a living. Now me, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a YouTuber, I love this. And so I'm a little bit different. But asking somebody what they love or what they're passionate about as opposed to what they do for a living is a great way to make them feel good because they're talking about something that they love. They automatically connect that feeling of love to you because you asked them the question and they're communicating with you automatically remember you. The fifth way to be unforgettable is give people compliments. Like complimenting somebody is a freaking likability, first impression, unforgettable secret weapon. What happens when somebody gives you a compliment? Exactly. Automatically, you like them more. You connect with them. You feel good about yourself. They made you feel good about you. Thus, the connection, thus, the memory, thus, unforgettable. And last but certainly not least, the sixth way to leave a lasting impression and be unforgettable is say thank you when people do something nice for you. Something that my mom instilled in me when I was younger that drove me a little bit crazy. Anytime anybody gave me anything, whether or not it was like a gift for my birthday or graduation or Christmas, she would say, did you call them and thank them? I'm like, I didn't want to. It was kind of like, oh, Ma, come on. Right? But as I've gotten older, the more I appreciate the fact that she made me do that. You say thank you. When somebody does something nice for you, you say thank you, right? Here's a perfect example. What happens? You open the door for somebody, right? You get to the door, somebody's walking up, you let them go in first. What happens? Most normal people say, thank you, I appreciate that, or whatever. And you're like, yo, cool, no problem. Maybe you strike up a conversation. You feel good because you did something nice for other people. Now, on the flip side, how many times has this happened? You open the door and the person just walks through, keeps going, doesn't say anything. Usually what happens after they walk through, I'll yell like, you're welcome, just to let them know they suck.